Welcome to my second tutorial in HTML. So I've written all the code probably, but I would like to explain you each and every line for you. So right now, what is my aim in this particular thing is I would just want to create a web page to display different kind of project details. Using this particular table tags. So so I think in the first tutorial I would have explained the HTML head part and all. So I have just taken the project page here. So in the body, if you want, you can just try to write this BG colors and background colors and all. You can just make it out. But here, if you see, if you start from the table part, if you want to create any table, like if you see a vertical and horizontal lines, you want to get it on your display. So in particular kind of cells. So this is how we are going to implement the code. So initially you will be taking this table tag, and width is up to you guys, and so border and this all is up to you guys. So the second thing is call group. So why I'm using this call group is I'm saying to the browser that, in order to display this particular color, whatever it is, light yellow or light blue or light yellow, to the particular boxes in a table. So that is the reason I'm just using call group. Okay, so that I can just specify that particular color for the particular boxes. Okay, I'm saying to the first one you display light yellow, first box, and the second two, span means how many boxes. So okay, so you display for that particular boxes, the display color would be light yellow, and the other two boxes, totally it is five which I have taken the cell padding. So other two boxes, it is light blue. So I just close call group, and then I have taken table tr. This is nothing but I'm creating a row, table row. So this is the first row I'm creating, and I'm writing headers. So in that particular row I'm writing headers like project ID, project titles, client, technology, duration. These all things you have to write in th tag, because without headers we cannot write any data into that particular, for that particular headers. Okay, and that in that particular thing I'm taking another row which comes in a horizontal manner, and in that particular row I'm giving the data. So I'm saying project ID is 828572. So here I'm displaying like this, and the second one is project title. For project title I'm saying JS, and third one is client. So I mentioned yes client, that's it. I did not mention any sort of client. You can just change whatever it is. Technology, here I'm mentioning as HTML. So in this fashion, generally you go ahead and write, implement your tables part in the HTML part. So I'm just closing the table tag. Okay, so if you want another row, then you have to go for another tr tag. Okay, so and another data, then you have to go for td tag, and if you want to go for a header tag, then you have to go for th tag. Okay, so just I'm closing body and HTML. So let us see how this is going to be executing. So I'll just copy this. uh, let's copy, and I just copied the path, and I'm just executing now. So let me go for this Chrome. So if you see this, so I've already executed this. So if you see this, and side by side, by keeping side by side, so let me keep like this. So initially I said, uh, cell padding would be 5. If you see 1 2 3 4 5, so 5, that is called cell padding, and spacing is 0 I have taken. So later on you can just change it, and you can just check it what is the spacings and all. I have written call group here. I have given light yellow. So for the first one I have given light yellow. For second two boxes, which is span 2, I have given light yellow. See, for the two boxes is a light yellow, and the third one I said third two boxes, last two boxes I said light blue. So last two boxes is light blue. So this is how you use call group. If you don't want to use, you don't. That is up to you guys. But if the requirement comes in a manner where you have to specify certain colors, then you can go for this call groups. And and there are other uses, but as if now I'm using call groups. Later on, I'll let you know how this goes on. So later on, I have taken TR tag. So if you can see, this is the first TR tag. In that, you can see each and everything: project title, client, technology, duration. So these things I have closed TR tag. Another row I have taken. I'm giving data for this. So you can see for each one I have given data, and just I close the table. So this is how we implement tables and in the HTML part. If you have any questions, please try to send me SMS, or please try to send any kind of messages relevant to this particular this particular topic. Any queries, if you get it, please send me in a comment section. And last but not the least, please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and please press on the bell icon to get my updates as soon as possible to reach you, and give a like so that it increases my interest to give you more detailed subject in this particular HTML part. And you down the line, I'll be teaching you CSS3 and also JavaScript. It's on the line, so you can see now I started JavaScript also in my video. If you subscribe my channel, you will be getting all the particular video. Down the line, you'll be seeing JavaScript and AngularJS also. So please give me a like and give me a thumbs up for that. And please comment, and if you have any sorts of doubts, and please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.